Hello, boss. Why so serious today?
When we review serious men, I have to be serious.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है शुरू करो जी.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Movie Logger. As you can see, I am completely formal. And when you think of formals, who comes to your mind? The serious men in offices, research center, everywhere possible, who are really serious. So today we are going to review the movie Serious Men. We loved it on Netflix. I recommend that for you to please visit and watch it once. The movie revolves in a very big world. So let me introduce the characters. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Indira, Akshat Das and Nazar. Other characters we do have them, but they are not as necessary as that could be mentioned. So let me get into the story. The protagonist Nawazuddin Siddiqui, aka Ayan, his way of looking at the world is very different. In simple words, he is a man who thinks that a person to develop through the stages has to go through 4 stages, which he calls 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. So the first G is somebody who neither has money nor is he a literate person. The second one is literate and has only some money, which he considers he himself is in that stage. Now, in the third stage, he believes that a person is literate and also has a corporate job to give him everything that he needs to some extent in his life. But finally is the fourth generation, where he believes they get everything without doing nothing. Now, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who thinks he is in the second stage, wants to push his son to this fourth stage. So to be very upfront, this is the plot. And how he goes through this, what tangles what, and what happens in the climax. That's the movie. As you may be knowing it, this movie is based on the novel written by Manu Joseph, which was released in 2010. But the movie takes a complete twist. Since it is in the movies, they try to change the things. So let's leave these aside and let's see how this movie performs. As a person who thinks such a transition in human life, he just portrays a story which is a satire on every single aspect of human life. Like he has various views on politics, social life, education, financial status, everything. Now, what does he do? At the outset, Ayan realizes that his son is not up to the mark. So hence he plays Dalit card in the admission, and then he tries to cheat people by teaching the child whatever Nawazuddin Siddiqui learned at his workplace. The workplace is a big research center. So he learns everything from the scientist and teaches to the kid, and everybody accepts that kid is genuine genius. Now when the entire world shifts its on-site to that kid, Nawazuddin Siddiqui is very happy. And he is also convinced that entire fame will take that kid to the highest 4G that he thinks. Now, as you think and might have guessed it, politicians come into the picture to take advantage on the famous boy. Now, at this juncture, Nawazuddin Siddiqui tries to play the same thing with his bosses in the office, and then he gets tangled as the bosses come to know that Nawazuddin Siddiqui is offline. Now, when the bosses come to know that there is something wrong, how does it impact this child? And what does this child do? What does Nawazuddin Siddiqui do? Super point of the movie. And you reach the last 15 minutes. And in that last 15 minutes, when the bosses talk with the child, and then child reaching the low point as to say he cannot continue. Now, as a father who has struggled so much to take his son from one level to the other, how does he rewind? How does he compromise things? How does he handle this politician? How does he handle the bosses? And at last, how does he normalize the kid's life? Is the awesome point that we have to enjoy. Hence I declare, this is a must-watch movie. We have to watch it. So positives, I already told you in the plot. I cannot explain further. But coming to the negative, The movie, though revolves around such brilliance, sometimes it has become too preachy. And in some characters where people are brought in and out feel unnecessary. So that's it. This is what we found. But the final verdict, movie is a must watch. I request you all to watch it. Thank you. More videos coming your way. Please share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.